Hello, this is Menno Petersen from Design from Within. I'd like to show you how to set up and install my new package, ModX Revolution theme called Flexibility. Flexibility is a fully functional ModX Revolution website. You can install it by installing one package from the ModX manager, and when you do, you will create a fully working website. For me, it's a quick start to create new projects. It includes a slider, contact form, wayfinder menu, sidebar, tagline. Well, a lot of stuff that you will use every time for a lot of web projects. So it will save you a lot of time if you can just simply create those in a few minutes. And if you want to remove anything, that's a lot faster than creating everything from scratch every time. So let's get started. It's on GitHub. github.com/designfromwithinflexibility, and this is the package. What you need is a new install of ModX. I suggest for now, while it's still beta, that you use a fresh install of ModX. So you just go to modx.com and download a fresh version of ModX Revolution and unzip it to your desktop or anywhere you want. To save time, I already did this. Let me show you. I have here my online space. This is my local space and my online space. These are the files you get from the latest version of ModX, and I uploaded it to my online space. Now I'm going to my blog, and I created a subfolder where I'm going to install this package. It's called Flexibility. So if I go here, I get the default error if ModX files are there but they're not installed yet. So I add setup in the URL. Let me actually show you, it's too low here. Setup. And it says it cannot continue, but because the cache directory is not writable. So let's change that. I'm going to go to my site, core, and I'm going to make the cache folder writable. Alright, let's try that again. And now I get the default ModX installation. I click next, I use English, simply install ModX. Localhost is fine. I need a database name and a login name. I already created one. If you have not yet, please create a new database on your server. If you need any help with that, I'm sure your hosting company can help you with that. So I got a connection with my server now. Selecting UTF-8. For my language settings, please choose your settings you want. Test the database, it's successful. I'm gonna select my information. And a password, of course. Click next. And it says it needs some files writable. I'll fix that. I'll be back. Alright, it should work right now. Retrying. Everything looks okay. Installing. I'm gonna click next. It says again I need some files created. I'll just do this. You'll probably won't have this message. Just do everything it says. Alright, I created these 3 files and I made them writable. So now I can log in with my information. And now I have a fresh ModX website. Get a nice welcome screen. Please read through it if you're new to ModX. And this is it. Well, how do we get my flexibility package there? Go to my package, github.com designfromwithinflexibility. Click on downloads. Download the zip file. And once the file is downloaded, you can open it. simply cut the page and go to your file of your website. Go to core, packages, paste it in, and you can just unzip everything right there. Remove the zip file, open all my files, and paste it, select flexibility -1.0.-rl and the zip file. You don't really need the changelog or the build file. Copy it and copy it to the core packages folder. So you need these two, flexibility and flexibility RL transport. Those are the two files. After that you can remove the other one. Next we're going to our FTP. I'm gonna select core packages, and now I'm gonna put my files that we just copied there to our online space. Alright, the files are now online, as you can see. Core transport, or sorry, flexibility, the basic folder and the zip folder. Now go to your backend, your ModX dashboard. As you can see, we only have a home page right now. We're going to change that. The first thing I'm going to do is enable friendly URLs, or pretty URLs. Go to System Settings, and under Filter by Area, select Friendly URL. Scroll down a bit, and for let me show you. Sorry. For use friendly URLs, select yes, and for use friendly alias path, select yes as well. To enable this, we need something else. Go to your root folder again of your website, flexibility, and you will see an ht.access file here. We need to change this. Go to edit with Notepad or any code editor you want, and save this file not as a ht.access but as a .ht.access file, like that. Save. For most cases that should be it. In my case, I'm installing my website in a subfolder called flexibility. It's not my root. My root is designed from within, and my subfolder is flexibility. So in my case, I need to add that subfolder right here at the top, at rewrite base engine, or rewrite engine on, rewrite base, flexibility, and a dash. That's what I need. But most of you will simply have this. Others, if you have a root folder or a subfolder where you install this in, please add that. I'm going to save it. Right now I have a backup of my old file and a new one, a .ht.access. I'm going to go to my FTP again. I'm going to go to the root of my site, and I'm going to remove the ht.access file, and I'm going to copy online the .ht.access file. And if I refresh, you won't see it here now because it's a hidden file. Don't worry about that. Clear our cache. Go to the ModX manager again, site, clear cache. Press OK. And if you view the website, it should work fine. There's nothing here, but as you can see, the URL works and it's an empty site. Okay, let's install our package. Go to System, Package Management. Select Add a new package. Search locally for packages. Click Next. Click Yes. And it should find flexibility. You can see the version and that it's not installed. So you can view more info here if you open it up. And press install. You can read this if you want, some information about flexibility. Click next. This is a warning. It will override any previous installation of flexibility that you did. And since it's beta, I would suggest you only use this or try this on your new fresh install. Click finish. And then you have to wait a little bit. Alright, it installed. As you can see, it gave a few errors. I'm going to fix that soon. Please hang with me at the moment. It installed all these settings. You can clear your cache now. It installs a few pages, site settings. If you go to elements, it installed a lot of chunks. As you can see, it installed a lot of template variables. It installed some templates. Well, anything you need for a new website. And if you refresh the homepage, you should see a fully functional website here. The styling is minimal. It's a start thing. It's about getting your website running really fast. Well, this is the install. I hope you will use my template, and please give me some feedback on GitHub. Thank you very much.